Hey, this video is just going to be a little bit of footage I got from Pachacamac, and it's an archaeological site near Lima, Peru. I went with Coal Tours Peru, and I highly recommend booking with them if you're interested in learning about more history and like when you go visit the museum and the archaeological site. For instance, one of the many things that I learned today was Pachacamac is a Quechua word, and one part of the word means earth, one part of the word means creator, and so earth creator. And our tour guide gave us this whole like a whole mythology on the area, and yeah, I learned so much today. And yeah, and the footage that I'm showing here isn't all of what we saw today. There were parts of like the museum, for instance, that, well, the whole museum, no filming was allowed. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. One thing about the site is that when the Spanish came and they destroyed a lot of this archaeological site, but I guess with Machu Picchu, it's pretty much still intact the way that it was during the Inca Empire. But I highly recommend a visit to Pachacamac if you're interested in history, if you take a trip to Peru. But yeah, thanks. I hope you enjoyed the video.